Hello, let's see how we can adjust the notification settings in one-click survey. We can set notifications about completed survey, survey expiration, activity changes, and survey deletion. The notifications can be set in the tab Edit, Settings, Notifications. To save the changes, we must click on the Save Changes button. In the Notifications Completed Survey tab, we can indicate who receives the notification about the completed survey: respondents who completed the survey, respondents registered in the CMS, the survey author and the editors, and additional recipients for whom we must enter their email addresses in the box below, each on its own line. The general email message can be adjusted. We can change font, size, color, add links and images. We can also add variables from the right box. We insert them between square brackets. The default message already contains the variables date, this writes out the time and date, survey, this writes out the name of the survey, and site, which writes out the URL address to the survey. Let's look at an example of a notification with added variables. Site will write out the URL for survey completion, PDF, a link to the PDF file with the respondent's answers, and RTF, a link to a Word file with the answers. If we added system variables in the survey, e.g. email or name, they can be included in the text by entering them between the hashtag signs. Let's see how the notification will be visible to the recipients we have checked in the case of a completed survey. In the email, the respondent's email, the survey completion time, the survey name, a link to editing, a URL to completing, a PDF with the respondent's answers, and a Word file with the respondent's answers are displayed. For each recipient we have checked, we can set a condition by clicking on the IF button that must be met in order to receive the notification, e.g. completing the survey via computer, and for each one we can create a different email message by clicking on the icon in the form of a document. If the survey is translated into multiple languages, we can create customized messages based on the language by checking the respondent option. For each language that appears below, e.g. English, we can customize the message by clicking on the icon in the form of a document. In the tab Survey Expiration Date, we can set how many days before the end of the survey 1KA notifies us on email. We can select additional recipients and customize the message. Unlike the completed survey notification, we can also add the days variable here, which tells us in how many days the survey will expire. In the Activation Changes tab, we can set notifications about the deactivation and activation of the survey. We can select the authors and editors and additional recipients as recipients of the message. We can edit the survey deactivation and activation messages and use system variables from the database. For the survey deletion notification, we can again select the author, editors, and additional recipients, and then edit the email message. This was a display of adjusting the notification settings in one-click survey.